So this is the movement we'll be expecting next on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now, if you take a look at this on New Zealand dollar JPY, you will see that this are current, though we have the main trend, but on the current trend, we are currently selling right here. So this is it here. This is the first low, and New Zealand dollar JPY did this lower high, then it was able to give us a new lower low, and this is the lower high. So with this movement, we are expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to give us another lower low. So guys, a bearish move for the day, what we should be expecting on our New Zealand dollar. But when you zoom it out and you see the full bigger picture, you will see that the full bigger picture says it is an uptrend move. So if this is the high, here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. This here is the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to give the higher high right here, and it is currently playing an higher low. But once this higher low plays out finish, we should be expecting that bullish move to form a new higher high. But the higher low has not yet played out finish, so it is still currently playing out, right? So this is one of the reasons why we need to still follow what market is doing currently, which is on our forward time frame. And the forward time frame, it is very clear. It is a bearish move. It is the forward time frame is giving us a series of lower low and lower high here. So with this movement that has been made here, we expect New Zealand dollar JPY to give us a pullback and then one more sell. So one more sell is what you should be anticipating for on New Zealand dollar JPY. So if you would want to do anything on New Zealand dollar JPY, go ahead and take a sell. Go ahead and sell, because we get a bearish move for the day. Any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know in the comment section. So in the Telegram, so click go to the comment section to follow the Telegram and also subscribe.